Exam, we provide detailed explanations for every question, as well as sample speaking and writing responses. In addition, the CD includes samples of the types of conversations and lectures that you will hear on the test to give you a good idea of what to expect and help you develop your listening skills. Note: the CD that accompanies this book contains audio tracks in MP3 format. This CD will play in a computer that uses a Windows-based or Mac operating system, or any device that will play MP3 files. Some CD players and DVD players will also play MP3 files. If you are having trouble running your CD, you can also register your book online and access the audio files from our website. Please refer to the 2-page spread before this chapter for instructions on how to access the online content. What's not in this book? This book is primarily designed to aid you in preparing to take the TOEFL. By working through the book, you'll be able to pick up new vocabulary and some grammar rules, but if you need more help with the basics, there are a number of other resources available. The Princeton Review's Grammar Smart, More Word Smart, and TOEFL Power Vocab books provide extensive help with grammar and vocabulary. These books are available wherever you purchase this book, including at online retailers. Television, radio, film, and podcasts are enjoyable ways to learn the language. Almost any show or program will be helpful. Remember, the TOEFL asks you to listen to casual conversations, so be sure to look up words and phrases you don't understand. Even if you live in a non-English speaking country, your city may have an English language newspaper. Try reading that instead of your native language paper. 12. Cracking the TOEFL IBT. Reading magazines such as Time, Vogue, Entertainment Weekly, and Sports Illustrated, and newspapers such as USA Today, The New York Times, and The Wall Street Journal will help your comprehension and vocabulary. A quick search on the internet will turn up a number of helpful websites devoted to helping people learn English. This book is more